Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christiana and I be Tiana Food and Lifestyle. For this video today, I will show you how I make this sharp Nigerian rice. Now, with this kind of rice, you don't need everything. You don't need all the whole ingredients for this one to use. And if you make this rice with the small ingredients you get for house, forget all this color way you see here. I just want to show you in case you just want to do extra. I'm going to use all these ingredients where you see for here today. Anyone we know they here, I will still put them for my description box. So make you waka small. Go my description box, you will see where I put all the ingredients where I go use. I don't want your story, say I no show you. But yeah, make we start now. For this rice, you must use frozen fish. Or they call them fresh fish for Nigeria. First thing what I go do, I go season them. Use any season where you get to. I season my fish. You can no one yet say I can't chop fish. Can't they do me like say I won't go throw away speed because season no enter. Not they cook like that. If you want cook like say they cook for human being when they are alive. Okay. So now I season them. Next thing I can't go for my air fryer, make it dry. The next thing what I go do, I can put some of my tomato what I don't cut inside my food processor. I dey use this one because they grind them smooth. You go grind them in the way when we say I go still dey see some of the tomato. If you use blender, I go grind them smooth, and we know they make stew. We just want make the thing make it follow for the rice, make everything jollificate, become one. So now I dey use my processor. I don't grind the tomato, I put the onion, I put garlic, I process them again. For Nigeria, some people they use mortar, we no get this one. Some people will use knife cut them. But if you use knife cut them, it no go come out like this, except you cut them. You take your time. But if you get this thing not cost to enter shop, you go see them. But if you no get them, use what you get. I don't blend everything. I put on one side. I can't carry olive oil. Use what you get. I put on for pot. I can't carry my onion where I don't chop small. I put inside the olive oil for pot. When don't heat up small. Waiting we go do next. I carry my stick. I turn them. Not be any stick confirm stick. The type where they use the cook or your cooking spoon. Not go carry sticks. Hey, I say make you use stick. Okay. I can't turn them like this. Turn them. Now I do them like this because I want make everything cook. I can't leave them. 5 minutes later, I go back. Now my shrimp, I don't wash them. Make sure say it clean. I carry the shrimp, put them inside this tomato while they fry. I come mix them with the shrimp. I come put them some Maggi. I come put them Nutmeg. I come mix them. Cover them for 5 minutes. 5 minutes don't pass. I come back. Make we see as the matter they go now. I come carry locust beans, where some people they call euro. I put them. I cover them. You don't need to put them if you no get to. Use what you get, yeah? I cover them. I just want to make you get that native taste. I come back 5 minutes again. I see waiting they go on here. Make I look am. Now she say this thing look nice. Hey, the tomato don't dry the water. Make for the give us that slap tomato taste. I come mix them. I come the fry am. You see say water no dey. Now just that oil they help the tomato, pepper, garlic, ginger, every orishi way follow for the tomato. At the grinder now it don't dey alright. It look good. Next thing what I do, that place I edit am but it no show. I put am my stock. I get small meat stock what I get for fridge. I put am inside. I can carry my rice what I don't wash. I can put am. As I put my rice inside, I can turn them like this. See how this thing get color. This thing na fine get rice. Ew! See the color, see the face. I no get carried away. I can't carry crayfish. I put them. Crayfish where I don't grind. You see all this native thing where they put, it make them look more Nigerian. It make them look local. I put them. I can't carry down my fish where I have fry. If you don't get fry, if you use frying pan, I can't carry and put. Now, most people they put the fish like that. The reason why they put them like that now, the main way. But I don't want to make it break. Now make me put them for air fryer first. I can't come back. It look good. Now I can't turn them like this. Small, make the fish no break. I just want to say at this point, if this is not your first time, thank you. Make sure say you subscribe. Make you see more video. If I cook Nigerian food, I go talk am for broken. If I cook English food, I go talk am for English. It makes sense. It's good like that, abi? Then I come back, I turn am. And of course, how I go take forget? If you returning subscriber, you try pass. I salute you. Thank you for all the better thing wey you dey do. You dey support your girl, you dey encourage me so that I go dey drop more videos. I just want tell you, continue to dey encourage me. Oh yeah, make we test small. I come test am. It makes sense. I cover am make e steam, okay? And as that one dey do, I don off the fire. I come carry small pot put for the side. I put am small butter. I put am some of my onion wey I don slice. As I put am for the butter, I put plenty runner beans inside. I mix am. I come carry chocolate salt just to taste and some fresh onion wey remain. I put am inside. I come mix am. This thing na just to chop am alongside, make e no be say na only rice you dey chop. You need some vegetable. I come carry my carrot wey I don cut into strokes. I come mix am. You no go let this thing cook for too long because na vegetable. You no wan make it die. After some time, I come off the fire, come shift am go one side. But I remember to put in more onions because me and onion will be 5 and 6. At the end of the day, see this food. You sef talk true. This thing no look good. Now I go take chop the rice for side. My baby like this rice. My oga at the top like this rice. And this food is very yummy. Me, I like to do extra because na only the living na if you enjoy. I dey always talk am. If you fit afford good food, chop na only once you go live. Thank you for staying to the end of this video with me. See wetin we don achieve. Try your own. Tell me as your own go. And tell me what you think about this food. And I will see you for my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.